Guys, so this is going to be my update on my Julia hair, and so far so good. This is a wig that I made, and as I said in the previous video, this hair it actually maintains its fullness. What I find with Malaysian curly hair is that it doesn't maintain its fullness all the way. Sometimes the hair falls flat, but not with this Malaysian hair at all. Yeah, so this hair keeps its volume, which I love, and what it keeps is the curl. Now, this closure to frontal ratio is immaculate. Normally with curly hairs, I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I've received a few of my days, honey, and I've been reviewing hair for years. So this actually, you cannot tell the difference between the bundle and the closure, and sometimes you can, but this, it's so full and nice and big, and I will definitely be tagging them on my Instagram whenever I wear their hair. It is beautiful, you guys, absolutely beautiful. What I will say, if you guys are seeing, is that at the base of the closure it is a little bit straight, you see that, then it gets curly, right? Now let me kind of flip this up and show you guys the bundles. Now the bundles are curly from the root. You see it? The bundles are actually curly from the root. But with the closure, there's about an inch of straight hair, and then it gets curly. See that? You can see it a little bit better right here. Yeah, that's the only thing, that's the only difference I can see from the bundle to closure ratio. But apart from that, this hair is so nice, you guys. Alright, so here goes the get to know me portion of this crap. Alright, so here goes the get to know me tag portion of this video. So let's jump right into it. What is your, oof, girl, there's a hair long. Can I do, I know how to cut the width for each the top of the hair. So okay, so here goes the get to know me portion of this video. So the first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Simone Latonya Henry. What does your name mean? Well, Simone means heard by God, Latonya, I don't know, and Henry means rule of the home. Are you named after anyone? Actually, I've done this tag before. I don't know, I don't think so. Anyway, are you named after anyone? Actually, yes. My grandmother told me that my middle name, Latonya, was named off of this French model that she knew. So yeah, Latonya, no, Latonya, I don't know. Anyway, does your name make any interesting anagrams? No, just SLH. I don't know. If you had to change your first name, what would you change it to? Lyric, probably, just Lyric. Where are you from? I'm from Jamaica. Where are you born? I was born in Jamaica. Where did you grow up? I grew up in Jamaica. Who did you look up to growing up? I looked up to Whitney Houston growing up. I look Whitney Houston. I can't think of anybody else now, but the only one that's coming to mind is Whitney Houston. So yeah. Who did you look up to growing up? Or to answer that. What are your best characteristics? I'm very loyal. I think I'm loyal to a fault. I'm loyal to the point where if you and I are friends and you're not talking to her, I will also not talk to her. Yes, I'm a Christian. It's just to make that clear, I am. But you know, characteristics doesn't mean it's a fault. Doesn't mean it's good. You know, it's just one of my characteristics. I'm very loyal, and I'm explaining that I'm loyal to that extent. What are your favorite things about yourself? This is very difficult to answer at this time. I'm a very emotional person, and my mood is quite dependent on how I'm feeling on that day. And no, I'm not feeling too good. So right now, my favorite things about myself is basic things that you guys know. I'm really good with a makeup brush. Yeah, these are things that you guys know. I can sing, I can write, and I love to make people happy. So I can't say I'm an actress, but I'm not a professional actress. But I sing, writing, make people laugh, you know, stuff like that. Which of your parents are you closest to? My mother. Which of your parents are you more like? My mother. Are your grandparents still married? No. What relative was important to you growing up and why? My grandmother, because she shielded me. Are you guys seeing my red spot? Because she shielded me from my mother when my mother was disciplining me. Like, she would hold me and say, "Life cat man whoopee, you're gonna be a killer." So my grandmother, definitely. Definitely. And the question, which of your parents are more like? I'm more like my mother because I understand her on an emotional level, but I don't think she understands me. I think she just looks at me as, you know, like the rebellious type, but I understand her on an emotional level, so I really think I'm most like her. But my daddy, I get my tempo from my daddy, and my forwardness, my to the pointedness from my daddy. Favorite is okay, good. What is the one thing that you've never revealed to your parents? I don't know, because I mean, they know I have a tattoo. I don't know. I've never revealed it. That's a short. I can't remember think of anything right now. I don't know. I can't think of anything. There's nothing in my head that's saying Ray. I really can't think of anything. What would your parents would have named you if you were opposite gender? I have no idea. I've answered this question before, but I don't know. What do you call your grandparents? Grandma, grandpa. You guys there call your grandparents like nana or nanny or something like so, or pop or something. Grandma, grandpa. Sometimes Verna, can name that Verna, or Miss Thomas. What is your best physical feature? My lips. Did you see that? I was like, there's a mirror right there, by the way. Anyway, your biggest accomplishment? The first thing that came to mind is Jonathan. But if we're talking in terms of like stuff, then my biggest accomplishment was actually starting our company. Pommy in general, the Pommy empire. Pommy lashes, Pommy brushes, Pommy belts, Pommy other stuff. Like, that's my biggest. But the biggest is Jonathan. But, you know, speaking material things, then Pommy, building the Pommy empire. But definitely Jonathan, just how he interacts with people, how truthful he is with how he's feeling, how kind and caring he is. He has such a caring heart, you would not believe. So one night I was watching Spirit on TV, right? And it reached a part where they took away Spirit. If you guys know what Spirit was talking about, and they took him away, and I started to cry. Jesus Christ, Jonathan started bombing me like ball. Mommy, don't take him away. I mean, sad. So he's looking at me. I'm okay.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Mommy, I want Daddy to come back and keep me safe.
Yeah, but can you keep me safe, please?
Mommy, because we don't have no shorts.
So you can't keep me safe without shorts.
Shorts.
Alright, come, let's put on some shorts, guys, so you can keep me safe.
Alright.
But anyway, yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you again, Julia Hair, for sending me this to review. You guys do not, and I want to put some color in this hair, so I definitely want to color it. And you guys see me this hair on my Instagram or wherever, I'm gonna tag them and I'm gonna let you guys know that, listen, honey, this is some Julia Hair. You know. I have a style that I want to color it in, but I'm not quite sure because I'm not a colorist. So I'll just keep on researching.
I'll find shorts.
Okay. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Julia Hair again. Big up yourself. Your hair is immaculate, superb. I love your Malaysian curly. Beautiful. Bellissima. I don't know what that means. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Mommy, the dress I'm not tall enough. Keep her on to go though.
Okay, but I have to bathe it first, okay? So take off your clothes.